Welcome back to Kids Fun Science. My name is Ken, and today's experiment is making fluffy slime. As always, adult supervision is required. And today I have a special assistant.
Grace.
Grace is here to assist me, and we're going to make
fluffy slime.
All right, and tell us what we need to do to make fluffy slime.
We need borax.
Yep, let's go show them. We're going to put, how much we're going to put in a borax?
1 teaspoon.
Yep, you're correct. So go ahead and put 1 teaspoon in. We're going to make 2 different bowls of mixtures. The first one is 1 teaspoon of borax. And then
we will put the water into the bowl.
Yep, with the borax. Go ahead and dump it all in real quick. It's hot. Hot water, right? All right, and we're going to stir that up. Sure.
Okay.
And then what are we going to do?
We're going to put the glue and shaving cream.
Yep, we're going to put 1 4-ounce bottle of glue in the second bowl. Go ahead, Gracie.
We're going to put 1 4-ounce of glue into the second bowl.
All right. Squeeze that out. Just squeeze it. Ugh. Slime is slimy. There you go. Give it a couple shakes. You don't have to get it all, but we want to get as much as we can to make as much slime. There you go. And then when you're ready, just turn it back upside. Doesn't matter if there's a mess. It's Jill's turn to clean tonight. And then what are we going to put in?
We're going to put some shaving cream in.
How much?
A half a cup.
Okay, half a cup. And you could grab the spatula if you want to push that out. All right. Good job. All right, now we're going to mix that. Go ahead and just put that down. Mix those two together, the glue and the shaving cream. Looks fun. Looks good.
Slime.
Slimy. Okay.
We're gonna put whatever color you want of dye in, like 3 drops.
And we're gonna use blue.
Yes.
Perfect. Stir that up, right? It's looking really good. I'm gonna come in so you can see. Look at that.
Blue slime.
Yes. Fluffy blue slime.
Yeah.
All right. Okay, I'm going to pause for a second.
The hot water into the mixture of glue and shaving cream.
Yes, we are. Perfect. Nice. And we're going to stir that up, right?
Yeah.
This is where it's going to start becomes the magic, right?
Yep.
Do we got to jump this over your head?
No.
Or your mom's head?
No.
All right. Are you going to get your hands ready to go, or do you think you're going to keep doing with the spatula?
I can do my hands.
All right. Good idea. Just put it down. We don't care where it goes. There you go. Does it feel like slime?
Yes.
All right. That's it. Knead it. Nice. It looks fluffy.
Fluffy. And it doesn't stick, which is good.
Yeah, that's the perfect slime. This is the perfect recipe. No sticking.
Yeah.
Cool. Let's see. Is it ready to go or no? Still going?
Ta-da!
Stretch it out. Whoa. All right. We got slime.
Slime.
Nice. So remember.
Thumbs up, and I hope you enjoyed this video, and make slime. Fluffy slime.